The next thing we see is large white. Now that's just a measurement of weight most of the time. So if we put this egg on the scale, we'll see that, look, we're large to extra large, we're good there. So there's white eggs. Now, if we look at the production process of this, most likely it's a large warehouse with lots of cages where the chickens are relatively isolated, and when they lay, their eggs go down like a conveyor belt system and are collected for eggs. So having the chickens in a cage like that doesn't give room for them to forage. Their feed doesn't have the biodiversity that they would on like pasture.